Today we are unboxing two things from one of my favorite black owned brands, Brandon Blackwood. Let's go. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm living in Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship with luxury sprinkled in between. Today we are talking all things black luxury with my favorite brand, Brandon Blackwood. Now this brand has really put themselves on the map in 2020 and they have solidified their space in the luxury arena with affordable luxury. Let me say that again, affordable, attainable luxury. Telfar and Brandon Blackwood right now are the two black luxury brands that I really love what they're doing with their brand, with their customer base, and with their products that they put out. I have a couple of items from them and I've never unboxed them, but today I want to talk about two items that I got from Brandon Blackwood during their fall winter drop. And I'm so excited about it. So let's just go ahead and unbox the bag and then we'll come back and we will talk about it. The first item I got was their bag. That is what they're known for. They also make clothing and other accessories, but their handbags, their trunk, which is literally a viral bag, has been seen on celebrities, influencers, and everybody alike. Like I said, I do have one Brandon Blackwood bag, but when I saw this one, I knew that I wanted to get it. The color is the color of this season. I've never been a silver girl, but honey, silver is coming back, okay? Silver said gold where? We are silver. So you see the Brandon Blackwood emblem right here up top. It's a gorgeous crinkled silver. It looks like tin foil. Like I don't know if you guys can see because of my lights in my studio, but look at it looks like crinkled tin foil. The stitch work is beautiful all around. Now Brandon Blackwood's quality has gotten better and better and better. The material is a cracked leather in silver. It does come in other colors, but the silver literally spoke to me. I haven't taken any of the plastic off, but as you can tell, everything is silver. The hardware as well is silver. You have the zipper detail with a little bit of a tassel at the end as well with a little bit of leather. The bag is just gorgeous. One thing that I love about Brandon Blackwood is their attention to detail. It comes with a box. The box has a pillow inside. Let's look at the box. Look at that. The box comes with a pillow willow that fits the bag exactly inside of it. You have Brandon Blackwood on the inside of the box as well as on the lid. The dust bag is a thick dust bag. It's not like light and cheap and inconsequential. It is a super thick dust bag as well, and for the price of $250, you just don't expect this much work to go into a bag that's not at least $1,000. The inside is this gorgeous dark microfiber material. You have a zippered compartment right here for your, wallet, debit card, ID. But then you also have another section, a sleeve right here that you can put maybe business cards inside of. It is a pretty roomy bag. I also love that it comes with crossbody straps. Now again, for the price of $250, you just would not expect it to come with so many things. It is an adjustable strap, which I love adjustable straps because I'm a petite girl. I'm 5 feet, so I want to be able to make my straps a little bit shorter if I decide to wear it as a crossbody. But if you're taller, perfect. These are going to be perfect for you as well because you can make them longer to fit your torso. The hardware for the crossbody is inside of the bag, so right where the straps are. Open up that flap and you will see the hardware right here. Let's go ahead and try it on so that you can see how low it drops. This is me just wearing it right out the box. You can make it shorter or longer because the straps are adjustable. This is me. I'm 5 feet. It hits me right at my hip. I would like, this is perfect for me where it hits. It's absolutely perfect. But again, you can adjust it higher or lower depending on how tall you are. But absolutely gorgeous. It looks so good with this blue, right? And now let's talk about what fits inside this Brandon Blackwood Arlen bag. It fits a full-size iPhone 13 Pro Max. A lot of my bags don't fit my phone. Lipstick, it fits a compact. Right here, it also fits nail polish, and it can fit a medium-sized wallet or your card holder with still room to spare. So it is really roomy once you get down to the bottom. As long as it can fit through the top, you will have room to store and with room to close it without it bulging out or bulging through. I highly recommend this bag. It's affordable luxury, but still you get the luxury feel with the packaging, the beauty, the color, the feel, the heaviness of it. It's a 10 out of 10 in my book. Definitely a black luxury brand that everybody should be supporting. Now let's look at my favorite thing that I bought from Brandon Blackwood, and that is one of their outerwear. It is their denim jacket, and I'm obsessed. When I got this trench, I screamed. Before I bought this one, I actually bought a Free People denim trench, and when it came in, it was so light. Like, I want my trench coats to be thick and have substance to them. When the box came in, I was thinking this can't be a full length trench coat. This has to be something else. And I opened it and it was this thin denim jacket or trench, and I ended up sending it back. And then I saw this on Brandon Blackwood's website. They came out with it for fall winter, and I screamed and I said I'm going to buy it. It came in a large box. The box was so heavy. When I opened it, it came with a thick dust bag. When I tell you Brandon Blackwood knows customer service and what their customers want to see when they get the items, like, we don't just want a throwaway box. We don't want something folded up. We want the experience. And they give you that. They gave me the experience. This is the Brandon Blackwood NYC dust bag. Now, mind you, this trench is only $3.85. So I was not expecting this. It's a velvet hanger with a thick dust bag that I will be able to use for other things. Like, I'm going to use this dust bag when I travel. My husband is going to use this dust bag when he travels. And as you can tell, look at my arms. This thing is heavy. If you live in cold place and like a cold area, you need this trench, okay? So let's go ahead and open it up. This is her. I have on like a dress. I don't know. I'm going to try to show you how it looks on me over this dress, or I might change and just put it on so you can kind of see how it belts and how it looks. But this is the denim trench. It's 100% cotton, which makes sense because it's super heavy, and then it's lined with polyester. So let's just bring it closer. You have this light denim. It's a blue jean with Brandon Blackwood in white all over the front of the jacket. It's also on the back. It goes from top to bottom. You have all this sleeve detail. Look at that. You have a buckle on the sleeve. Even the buckle has his emblem on it. Look at this stitch work. Look at the stitch work on this. Look at the buckle. He even the material was wrapped, and you see a little bit of the Brandon Blackwood on the side. This detail is on both sleeves. It is a long line. It comes all the way down to my ankles. Again, I'm 5 feet, so it's a pretty long trench coat. It is belted, so you see the belt that goes around as well. The belt is pretty long. Now I did get a size medium in it. The belt is really long, so it will wrap around you. If you're very small, it will probably wrap around you twice. It wraps around me once because a sis is thick in the waist and thick everywhere else. It has the detail as well right here, and I'll put a picture to the side of the model wearing it. You have this flap detail, which is really giving trench coat to me. And again, 100% cotton with polyester lining. Let's look at the coat on. I have on a tweed dress underneath here. I have on a tweed Zara dress, and this coat still went on me. I haven't cut it yet because I just unboxed it with y'all, but this is the coat on me. It does have pockets. Again, look at that. Room to spare once you cinch the waist in. It is absolutely just gorgeous. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you can see the details of the flap, details on the arm. You can pop the collar up. 20 out of 10. 20 out of 10. This is the back. Zip it in. That is the back of the coat, of the trench coat, and highly, highly, highly recommend this. So let me know if you bought anything from Brandon Blackwood before, and then comment below and let me know which one of these items you could see yourself with. Again, if you have never visited Brandon Blackwood's site or bought anything, buy into it. It's an amazing brand. They know customer service. They know about what the customer wants once they get the package. They know luxury. Attainable luxury. It's attainable, but it's still luxe, and I love that. So definitely check them out, and if you do, tag me on Instagram and let me know what you buy, because I wanna look with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this show. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. If you are not a part of my community, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. If you're already a lovey, hey, good to see you again. Make sure you click the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Y'all, it's been such a fun video. These items have brought me so much joy and sprinkled a little bit of glitter into my life. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Mean it. Bye.